With winter around the corner and the temperatures beginning to fall, the last thing you want is a frozen engine or your car's engine to overheat. That's why our first Wessex Winter Tip is how to check your car's engine coolant level. Now it's a very simple procedure. Firstly, we open the car's bonnet. Then we locate the car's coolant reservoir. Once found, as you can see, there will be a minimum and maximum mark. If the coolant is close to or on the minimum mark, then of course, we will have to add more coolant. If you are unsure of what type of coolant to add to your vehicle, please refer to your car's manual. Now, if you do need to add more coolant, please make sure that the engine isn't hot before removing the coolant cap. Heat can make pressure build in the tank, and when you do go to remove the lid, liquid can spurt out. Now, open the coolant tank cap and simply add new coolant to the tank until we reach the maximum mark. And then we can pop the cap back on. Remember, to keep your car healthy, it's a good idea to check your coolant levels every 2 to 3 weeks or before long trips. Thanks for watching.